Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be working on example of 3 by 3 matrix, which is matrix transformation. By the end of this video, you will understand this part very well. Now, I have this question here, which by solving it, you will understand better. There is video for 2 by 2, which is a matrix form, and also there is definition and the integration part of it. Now, let's try to work on this part of this. Let's see how it will be. Now, let T of R3, which is mapped to R3, defined by the what? This and this. This is called domain, and this is called codomain. Please take note, codomain. Now, please take note of that very well. This is domain and codomain, which relative to the what? The basis, which these are the bases. This is called basis. Now, of the what? Of R3. Find the matrix of the what? Of the linear mapping. We want to find the matrix of the linear mapping. Now, the first thing I will do, the same thing I did in the first one, by having, I have my U, and these are U1, U2, U3, and they are all bases. Now, I will now first take the first basis. It means my TU1 will be equals to T of 1, 1, and 0. Now, by so doing that, it means I will come to this particular part, and it's supposed to give me, it means I will be talking about x plus 2y minus 3z, comma, 2x plus y plus z, comma, and also 5x minus y plus z. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now, what I mean here is that my x, this is my x, y, z. Now, back to that, y equals to 1 plus 2 bracket of 1 minus 3 bracket of 0, and comma, and I have 2 bracket of 1 plus, this is going to be what? 1 plus 0, comma, and this will be 5 bracket of 1 minus 1 plus what is 0, which it will be, here will be 3, 3, 4. Here is 3, here is 3, here is 4. Now, that is what I'm trying to do there. Please take note of that very well. Now, indirectly, I can say that what? My U of 1, it will be what? 3, 3, 4. Now, this is called domain. This is called codomain, or we call it pre-image, or we can call it pre-image. Anyhow, that is comfortable for you. Now, I will now continue by having, I cannot go to the definition, which by having, I can say that what? X of U1 plus y of U2 plus z of U3, which is equals to what? Or what I'm having here, 3, 3, and 4. Now, by so doing that, we all know what our U1 is. Our U1 is what? 1, 1 is 0. Permit me. 1, 1 is 0. This one will be what? 1, 2, 3. And here will be 1, 3, 5. Can you see? Now, by so doing this, I can write this as I will be talking about 3, 3, 4 also. Now, by so doing that, I'll be having x plus y plus z equals to 3, and also x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 3, and also I'll be having 3y plus 5z equals to 4. That is what we are going to be talking about. Since I have that, I can now continue by moving on with this. I can now type having my matrix 1, 1, 1. Okay, hope I'm not making a mistake. 1, 1, 1, and 1, 2, 3, and this one will be 0, 3, 5. This one will be 3, this one will be 3, this one will be 4. I'm just working on matrix now. Now, by so doing this, I'll be having, I think I can do my row reduction, which it will be very simple for me by saying that my row 2 will be equals to row 1, my row 2 minus row 1, and also my row, which I have to get that one first to avoid silly mistake. 1, 1, 1, 3, and this one will be 0, and this one will be, which is going to be 1, this one will be 2, and this one will be 0. Now I'll be having 0, 3, 5, 4. I'm just on my Gaussian elimination method. Now I can now say that my row 3 will be equals to row 3 minus 3 row 1. I mean row 2 rather. 3 row 2, which I'll be having 1, 1, 1, 3, and here will be 0, 1, 2, 0, and here will be 0, 0. This will be 6. I think I'll be having minus 1, and this will be 0, it will be 4. Yes, 0, that is 4. Now, that's what I will be talking about there. Now, by so doing that, it means my z equals to minus 4. That will be y plus z plus 2z equals to what? Is 0. This will be, it means my y equals to 8. Now, lastly, it means I'll be talking about x plus y plus z equals to 3. What is my x? My z is this, which is going to be 4. I'm talking about minus 4 and 8, which is going to be what? 8. And this will be 8, which my x will be equals to minus 1. Please, my x will be equals to minus 1. Now, that is the first one. Now, back to what I'm doing here, I can now say that what? My TU1 will be equals to, I'll be coming to this, which will be what? Minus 1 of U1 plus my y is what? Is 4 plus 8 of U2 plus what next? That will be z is what? Minus 4. That will be minus 4 of U3. That is very, very important. I've gotten one of it. It means I've gotten row 1 of my matrix, Now, my matrix row 1 is available now. I want to move on to row 2. I will notice that similarly, now, it means I'm talking about my TU2 will be equals to, now I will do the same thing I did here, which I will put those numbers there, and don't forget that my TU2 is always equals to T of, what is my 2 of this? This is going to be what? 1, 2, and 3. Now it means my x is equals to 1, my y equals to 2, my z equals to 3. Now I will now put that back to the what? To the my pre-image, which I will be having this. By so doing that, I will be having it will be equals to minus 4, 7, and 6. Minus 4, 7, and 6. That is what it's going to give to me. Now, since I have that, I can now do the same thing I did here, which is going to be what? My x bracket of 1 is 0, and plus y bracket of 1, 2, 3, plus my z bracket of, what is my z? 1, 3, 5, which it will be equals to minus 4, 7, and 6. Minus 4, 7, and what? And 6. Since I have that, I can now I can augment it, which I will have my augment matrix by having something like this, which I will be having 1, 1, 1, augment to what? To minus 4, and also I'll be having 1, 2, 3, augment to 7, and also I'll be having 0 and 3 and 5, augment to 4, augment to 6. Now, by so doing that, if I do my row reduction, I reduce this and I have that, it will surely give me my x. This should not give me a problem anymore. By now, I can say that my row 2 equals to row 2 minus row 1. You know about that because of our time. It means by so doing this, now let me just supply. It means my x will be equals to 12, my y equals to minus 43, and my z equals to 27. That is what I'm going to have. My z is 27, and that is what we're going to have. Now it means I will not say that my TU2 will be equals to 12U1 minus 43U2 plus 27U3. That is what it's going to give me. Now I will do the same thing for my what? My TU3. My TU3 will give me what is going to my 3. This is my 3, which is going to be 135. Which, if this is the what? The image, the pre-image will give me by so doing, just insert this x, y, z on the given this thing on this place, which I will be having. When I do that, it will give me minus 8, 10, and 7. That is what it's going to give to me. Minus 10 and what? 7. Now, this is called image. This is called pre-image. Now, I will now do the what? The same thing, which is going to be x bracket of 1, 1 is 0 plus y bracket of 1, 2, 3 and plus z bracket of 1, 3, 5. I think 1, 3, 5. It's minus, yes, which it will be equals to minus 8, 10, and 7. Can you see? That is what we. And also do the same thing. Turn it to augment it and use Gaussian elimination method also to run after that, because it will be very easy on Gaussian than other method. And also 1, 2, and 3 and 10. This also will be 0, 3, and 5 and 7. That is what we have to do. Now, since I have that, by so doing this, I can now say that my x will be equals to, with what I've computed here, I have my x is 47, my y is minus 76, and my z is 21. My z, this is my z, and my x is 21. By so doing that, I will also be having my t of u3, which it will be equals to, I'll be having 21 u1 minus 76 u2 plus 47 u3. Now, by so doing this, I think I've gotten all what I need to do. Now, I've gotten what I need to do. I will now say that the matrix we are referring to, now, the matrix now, that I really want to find, that I've been looking for, all these ones that make me to go on this journey, I think the matrix will now be Now, the matrix will now be, don't forget, I have my TU1, which is equals to, my TU1 is U1 minus and plus 8U2 and minus 4U3. Now, and my TU2 will be equals to, my TU2 will be equals to 12U1 minus 48U2 plus 27U3. Now, my TU3 will be equals to 21U1 minus 76U2 plus 47U3. Now, it means the matrix that we are referring to will be equals to minus 1, 8, minus 4, and minus 8 and 27, and also 21, minus 6 and 46. That is what we are to work on. That is all what we have. And that is the matrix that we are looking towards, that you are looking for. I think I will be stopping here. By now, you should be very okay with the matrix transformation. If you have any problem, you can drop a comment after watching the 3 videos. Once again, share the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Thanks for watching.